was an easy way to keep your pool or hot tub perfectly balanced. So you don't have to do this. Introducing pHin, the smart way to take care of your pool or hot tub. Here's how it works. pHin uses state-of-the-art technology to monitor your water chemistry 24/7. pHin then calculates what chemicals are needed and sends you recommendations on what you should add to bring your water into perfect balance. It's pretty simple. Monitor, notify, and add. With an easy setup, it works with pools and hot tubs of all kinds, shapes, and sizes. With lab-grade sensors, you'll never have to worry about over-chemicalized water. With the pHin app, you can also schedule a pool tech whenever help might be needed. And of course, you can remotely monitor your pool or hot tub from anywhere and at any time. But if you are close by, you may want to check the water temperature. So you can skip the toe dip and jump right in.